Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is berate. It is pronounced berate, and it is spelt B-E-R-A-T-E. Think be and then rate. Berate means to scold or criticize someone angrily. For example, my teacher berated me for being late again. The word berate comes from the prefix be, meaning thoroughly, and the Middle English word to scold. So berate means to scold someone thoroughly. Its exact meaning today. Can you think of some of the most common reasons why children are berated? Well, the top 5 reasons children are told off are for lying, disobedience, too much screen time, hashtag Roblox, hashtag Fortnite, disrespectful behaviour, complaining, and that's the top 5 right there. How many of these have you been berated for? Berate is a verb. For example, you could say, every time the football team made a mistake, their fans would berate them with booing and jeering. Berate is defined in the dictionary as to criticize or speak in an angry manner to someone. Berate synonyms include rebuke, reprimand, reproach, reprove, admonish, chastise, criticize, and scold. Antonyms include compliment, flatter, laud, praise, and hail. Try not to berate anyone today. If someone angers or upsets you, try to remain calm. Impress your friends and family today by using your new word, berate. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.